Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'll be showing you how to make sesame candy, Ridi kenan da Hausa. So wannan Ridi na ne da na wanke shi ne, I let it dry, and then now we are toasting it, frying it a little bit for like 5 minutes pretty much. So please guys, I have a question for you all. Wani memory kuke tunawa idan kuka ga Ridi? For me, it just, I think once in a while that and just you back in the days, because it's not like Islamia or Boko thing. There's actually any snack in the dish, if I remember exactly. So let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Again, please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I know kuna san idan ka muku abubuwan mana gida. So it doesn't matter where you are, anywhere you are in the world, you can always make irin wannan abubuwan namu na gida. I will write down everything, the exact measurements I use in here. So do check the caption down below. Thank you guys.